Hi everybody, welcome to Turkish Lessons. My name is Yasin Durak. Today guys, I will help you learn how we use past simple tense in Turkish. The title here, past simple tense in Turkish is, as you see here, geçmiş zaman. Geçmiş zaman. Okay, now I will give you a brief explanation before I go further actually. To use the past tense as in English, same actually. It's all about the past actions that happened in the past and there's no connection to the present time. So now let's get to the formula here, guys. Turkish formula for to make a past simple tense here. So first of all, you should use the base form of the verb. Okay, like the imperative form, or you can say command. And after, you should use the suffix of past simple tense. And finally, you should use the personal pronoun who does this action. For example, there's a base form here, gel, which means come. Okay, come. So after I use the suffix of past simple tense, which is d here, d. So, and after the person, which is me, that means I. So here I use am. So geldim. Okay. So, or you can say ben geldim. Okay, let's get to English part here. Sentence, personal pronoun first of all to make a sentence in past simple tense, and after you should use the past form of the verb. Okay guys, for example, I did come, or you can say I came. Okay, I did come is a much clearer explanation for you guys how we use this, did and after come, or you can say past form of the verbs. Preferably most people speak this way. And let's see one example here, guys. As you see, there's a picture which shows two people get together in a cafeteria. All right, so our examples will be about this. And as you see here on the left, positive, negative, and interrogative forms of sentences, which means here positive in Turkish we say olumlu, negative, olumsuz, and interrogative form, or you can say question form, is soru. Okay, let's see our first example. As you see here, there's one example. So in Turkish for this we say seninle kafede tanıştım. Okay, all right. So here guys, tanışmak, that's the base form of verb tanışmak. But actually we use here, as I said earlier, we should use the base form of the verb, which is command. So tanış. And here I use here ti do, or you can say di do. That's the past suffix of past tense, and after the person, which is I, so am I use here. So tanıştım means I met. Okay guys, tanıştım means I met. So negative form here is I did not. Here, not is the negative word, and in Turkish we say for this ma. Okay, but which comes after verbs. Okay guys, base form of verbs after, so we use question negative form of the word, which is ma in this example. Tanışmadım, which is I didn't mean. Okay guys, seninle kafede tanışmadım. And next example is a question form. As you see here, there's a question mark. So here, did I meet you? Did I meet you at the cafeteria? In Turkish we say seninle kafede mi. Okay, this is the question word in Turkish. We all the time use mi, mu, mu. Okay guys, so seninle kafede mi tanıştım. So if the, look, very tricky, how can we say, I can give a very good example here. If we use e here at the end of verb, then after you should use me. Okay guys, after e letters, most of the time we use me question word. So seninle kafede mi tanıştım. This is the examples. So let's repeat one more time together. Seninle kafede tanıştım. Seninle kafede tanışmadım. Seninle kafede mi tanıştım? Okay, now let's see the question words here, which is a more practice actually. That's why I wrote down for you. On the right, you see the Turkish examples. Let's see them now. Okay, ne oldu? Sen ne yaptın? Sen kiminle tanıştın? Sen Kiminle tanıştın? Or you can say in the parentheses kim ile, which means with who, or you can say with whom. And then last one is here. Kafede benimle mi tanıştın? Kafede benimle mi tanıştın? Okay. I will use them in Turkish all the time, guys. And you can repeat it with me as well. Seninle kafede tanıştım. Seninle kafede tanıştım. Seninle kafede tanışmadım. Look, question word, a negative word is ma. Seninle kafede tanışmadım. Seninle kafede mi tanıştım? Seninle kafede mi tanıştım? Look, tım and tım, which is positive and question form, which we use here to. And here ne oldu? Ne oldu, which means what happened. Sen ne yaptın? What did you do? Sen kiminle tanıştın? Who did you meet? Sen kiminle tanıştın? Or you can say sen kim ile tanıştın? Kafede benimle mi tanıştın? Kafede benimle mi tanıştın? Okay, guys. All right, now let's get to the summary part. To make negative, positive forms in past simple tense, as I said to you before, normally you should use do, ti, do, or you can say, depends on the, some verbs changes its past letters of suffix like as t, t, to. Okay, which means here there must be t. All right, so for negatives we use only ma or me. Okay, I just want to give you simple example here. Madı, medi. You can use them also. For making question form, dımı, dimi, dumu, dümü. Normally, the question word here is, guys, mı, mi, mu, mü. Instead of using du, mü, dümü, dumu, dimi, dımı. Let's see the examples. Kırdı mı? This is a question word, which means did he or did she or did it break? That's what it means. Kırmak means break. Okay. Did it break? Kırdı mı? Did it go? Gitti mi? Or did he or did she go? Kurdu mu? Kurdu mu? The base form here is kur, which means set up, or you can say install. Okay, guys. Kurdu mu? Did he set up? Did he install? Or here, this is üzülmek, which means get upset. Did he get upset? Which is past tense, guys, because there is do we use here. So üzüldü mü? All right, so that's, I think, the end of our lesson. Guys, if you have any questions about this lesson, please send your comments, and any further questions, requests if you have for the following Turkish lessons, you can also please do it. And I really appreciate your time for watching this video. And you can also write to us, bilgi@aktifören.com or aktifören. There must be actually aktifören@hotmail.com. Thanks so much for your time. Hope to see you next time. Bye.